natural health for beginners.
In this video, you'll learn how to create your own witch hazel toner at home with precise quantities for effective and natural skincare. Witch hazel is renowned for its astringent and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an ideal ingredient for toners that soothe and refresh the skin. Key ingredients: witch hazel extract, a natural astringent to cleanse and tighten pores. Distilled water, ensures purity and prevents contamination. Essential oils, optional, such as tea tree or lavender for added skin benefits. Aloe vera gel, optional for hydration and soothing properties. Step-by-step instructions: measure the base. Combine half a cup, 120 milliliters, of witch hazel extract with a quarter cup, 60 milliliters, of distilled water. Add enhancements, if desired. Mix in 5 to 10 drops of essential oil for fragrance and additional skin benefits. Add 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of aloe vera gel for extra hydration. Blend and store. Stir or shake well to combine all ingredients. Transfer the toner into a clean glass bottle with a secure lid. Usage: apply the toner to a cotton pad and gently sweep across the face and neck after cleansing. Use daily for best results. This DIY project is simple, cost-effective, and ensures you know exactly what goes into your skincare routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural beauty recipes.